Hello, this is the English alphabet. I want you to listen and then repeat. Listen and then repeat. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Nice. Now you can go back in the video and you can look at my mouth while I say the letters. Watch my teeth, watch my lips, watch how wide and how open my mouth is. Look at A, look at E, look at O. This is what you have to imitate. You have to imitate my mouth and my lips and my teeth. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, and there are 5 vowels. We have A, E, I, O, and U. These are the vowels. The rest are consonants. They are consonants. So to repeat, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, 21 consonants, and 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. There are also capital letters and lowercase letters. So we have capital letters, and they're the big letters, lowercase letters, the small letters. You have to know how to write capital letters and lowercase letters. Now let's look at the sounds of the English alphabet. Okay, I'm going to go through the sounds with the word, and you're going to repeat the word, and you're going to focus on the sound. Also, you can look at my mouth, my lips, my teeth, and my tongue, and you're going to mimic. Okay, you're going to copy and mimic. A, apple, apple. B, bee, bee. C, carrot, carrot. D, duck, duck. E, elephant, elephant. F, fish, fish. G, girl, girl. H, horse, horse. I, igloo, igloo. J, juice, juice. K, kite, kite. L, leaf, leaf. M, moon, moon. N, nest, nest. O, octopus, octopus. P, pencil, pencil. Q, queen, queen. R, rabbit, rabbit. S, sandwich, sandwich. T, tiger, tiger. U, umbrella, umbrella. V, vest, vest. W, watermelon, watermelon. X, X-ray, X-ray. Y, yogurt, yogurt. Let's look at some difficult sounds in the English language. V, V. You're going to put your teeth on your lips and you're going to blow air. V, vest, vest. Make it really long and loud. Let's look at J, 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 juice, juice. R, rabbit, rabbit. Look how my lips are closed. Rabbit, rabbit. F, fish, fish. H, horse, horse. It's like you're breathing. Horse. Okay, now we are going to learn to write the alphabet. Get a pencil or a pen, right? Pencil or pen, and you're going to write on paper, you're going to write the alphabet on paper. So you will write with me. Okay, let's start with A. Capital A. Start at the top, go down, start at the top and go down, and go across. A, capital A. Lowercase a is a circle and a line. A, lowercase a. B, start at the top. B, capital B. Lowercase b, lowercase b. C, start at the top. Capital C, lowercase c. D, start at the top. Capital D, lowercase d. E, capital E, lowercase e. F, capital F, lowercase f. G, lowercase g. H, I, capital I, lowercase I. J, capital J, lowercase j. K, capital K, lowercase k. L, capital L, lowercase l is only a line. M, M. N, N, capital N, lowercase. O, O, octopus. P, P, pear, pear, P. Q, Q, quit, quit. Q, don't forget the little tail, the tail. Capital, lowercase. R, R, rabbit, rabbit. S, S, snake, snake. T, T, tomato, U, U. Umbrella, umbrella. V, V for Victor, Victor. W, W, water, water. X, X, X-ray, X-ray. Y, Y. Yellow, yellow. X, Y, and the last letter is Z, Z, zebra, zebra. There you go. That's how you write the alphabet. You may need to do this a couple times. You'll actually have to use your hand and do this 5 or 10 times. You need to do a lot of writing until it's perfect. Thank you.